Hi, I'm Stetcyn and I'm with Seeds for Bees. Planting seed is the first step to establishing a cover crop on your farm and the culmination of planning and ordering the seed. There are multiple ways to get the seed in the ground, and we'll be demonstrating the two most popular methods in this video to see which is right for you. Seed drills are specialized machines designed to bury the seed while planting. They come in many shapes and sizes, which help them be better suited for various situations. Seed drills work by opening or disturbing the soil, dropping a seed, and closing up the soil behind them. Seed drills generally have better germination rates than broadcasters, which allows them to use less seed when planting. They can be costly to use and maintain, and there may be varying levels of accessibility in the state of California. Seed drills are great for farmers with large areas to plant who want precision levels of control over where their seed is placed. Broadcasters can be multi-purpose units designed to spread seed or other material over the soil surface. Depending on your needs, you can get small units that could be mounted on a quad or larger ones which can be towed. Some models are specifically designed to plant seed, like the one we're demonstrating today, and some are multi-purpose machines like ant bait spreaders. Broadcasters are great for farmers who need low-maintenance machinery that can be used for multiple applications. The process for calibrating drive wheel-operated planters is similar for both broadcasters and seed drills and will require the following supplies: a scale, cups or tarps for catching seed, a measuring tape, and a jack stand. Reference the calibration chart located on your equipment or look for it online. Search for your specific make and model and set it for the closest option to your seed mix. Fill the unit with enough seed to calibrate it. If using a seed drill, unclip a few of the hoses. You will be collecting seed as it drops from the unit. Place cups or a bucket under the unclipped hoses to catch the seed. On a firm, level surface, lift the drill. If you can only lift one side, raise the unit on the drive side so that the part that powers the metering device can move freely. It is important to practice safety. Don't lift the drill too high and secure it so the equipment doesn't fall on you. Refer to your owner's manual as each machine has its own calibration process. If it is not listed in your manual, measure the circumference of the drive wheel or the piece of machinery that is powering the metering device. This unit is powered by the press roller, and per manufacturing guidelines, we're turning it 39 times to cover 1,000 square feet. Seeders powered by drive wheels may require fewer rotations due to the tire size, and you will need to calculate how many rotations will cover 1,000 square feet. Again, refer to your owner's manual as each unit is different. Catch the seed from 3 separate hoses. Weigh the total amount of seed collected and record this number. We'll use it for the following calculations. Divide the weight of the seed by 48 to convert to pounds, then multiply by the total number of hoses, which in this case is 18. Then multiply that number by 43.56 to get pounds per acre. If your number varies too much from your seeding rate, adjust the seed adjustment lever up or down and remeasure until you're within 3% of your planting rate.
Tips that we may have for someone wanting to use a seed drill is calibration is key so that you're not underplanting or overplanting. Calibration is very important to do it multiple times. Don't go just by the seed charts because seed weights and textures of the seed vary greatly.
The equation to calibrate your broadcast seeder is similar to seed drills. Reference the calibration chart to select a setting that's close to your seed mix. The first 2 steps will determine driving speed and broadcast width. Broadcast widths of drive wheel operated spreaders are often affected by the speed at which they are driven. Lay out a tarp that is wider than your desired broadcast width and drive over it at the speed indicated in the calibration chart. Collect the seed and weigh it. This will be compared to the required amount of seed as determined by the planting rate. Multiply your broadcasting width in feet by the length of the test area, typically the length of your tarp. This gives you the treated area. Take this number and multiply it by pounds per acre for your mix and divide that by 43,560. Then multiply that by 16 to convert to ounces. This will give you the amount of seed required to achieve your seeding rate. Adjust until you are within 2 to 3% of the seeding rate. A final important step to consider when using a broadcaster is seed incorporation. This is often done with a follow-up pass with a roller, ring roller, or dragging a piece of chain link fence behind your tractor.
The benefits of using a broadcaster are going to be, it's a cheaper piece of equipment to use. It's going to be adaptable to smaller acreages. It's easy to park. It's not a lot of equipment to put away. It's not as expensive as a seed drill considering how much use you'll get out of it.
Some of the benefits that we find for planting cover crop is better water penetration. We also find that it brings in a lot of native bees right after bloom.
You're getting a diverse cover crop mix that will support, has something in it for early flowering, and at the same time is making roots in the soil, making biomass that can be incorporated or cover the soil and help all the microbiology that's below the soil that the trees actually depend on as well. So it's helping a lot more than just the bees.
This has been a Seeds for Bees production. Seeds for Bees offers free or subsidized cover crop seed to farmers and beekeepers within the state of California. Beekeepers renting hives to Californian orchards can play a vital role by encouraging orchard managers to apply for free or subsidized cover crop seed through the Seeds for Bees program. Those interested in applying can do so at the Project APISM website.